Hello everyone, welcome back. Anti-gravity versus Codex versus VS Code. These are three tools developers use while building software. In this video, I'll quickly explain what each one is for and how to choose between them. Anti-gravity is an AI tool built for speed and automation. It is made for developers who want to move fast and let AI handle as much work as possible. You give it a task, and it tries to do the heavy lifting for you. If you like fast results and don't want to spend too much time on small details, anti-gravity feels really smooth to use. It's great when you just want to push things forward quickly. Now let's talk about Codex. Codex is more focused on understanding and generating code. It helps you write code, explain logic, and solve problems step by step. It feels more like a smart coding assistant you talk to rather than a fully automated system. Codex is nice when you want help thinking through a problem or writing code carefully instead of rushing. And then there's VS Code. It's a code editor. It's where you actually write your code. It becomes powerful when you add extension and AI tools on top of it. So here's the simple way to choose. If you want speed and automation, use anti-gravity. If you want help writing and understanding code, use Codex. If you want a solid place to write and manage your code with flexibility to add extension and AI tools on it, use VS Code.